Okay, you may have noticed that this is a different style, isn't it? The reason you're listening to this right now is because I had a problem with the RØDE VideoMicro and the VideoMic GO. They had clicking and popping sounds, and I had to send them back because, quite frankly, the video was pretty much unusable, or at least the audio part of it was. My goal was to have a little mic I could put on top of the G85, no batteries, and it would be a alternative to my primary audio. In case something went wrong, I would have like a decent audio track that I could use, and it had to be better than the internal mic in the G85 itself. So found this little Saramonic SR-PMIC1, I think it is. You'll know in a minute. And I have to say, there's no clicking, popping. Noise floor seems not too bad considering. Build quality, it's not so bad. It's about 50 bucks. Plugs right in, and I don't know. So we're gonna do some audio tests, so stay tuned. Okay, so right now, what you're listening to is the Panasonic G85 internal microphones in a sound-treated room. Right now, you're listening to this completely without any compression or any kind of processing or effects or anything like that. It's about, I would say 18 inches away from the microphone. I have to say, like, so far, build quality, price 50 bucks, don't know about handling noise yet, but the fact that it doesn't have the popping and clicking, it could be the mic that I'm going for. Let's go outside and listen to some outdoor sounds. There's a little bit of wind outside. We'll see how the mic does outdoors, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm outside. There's a lot of road noise right behind the microphone. This is the internal mic of the G85. Let's go ahead and turn this thing around and let you listen to the noise head on. Okay, so that's the internal mic. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Saramonic. Okay, so now we're on the Saramonic. A lot of road noise right behind. I'm not sure how well it's rejecting, but it's pretty noisy. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Okay, and we're back, and you know, I'm just kind of trying to figure out what the rejection is on the back and on the sides. Also, I don't know what, I'm gonna kind of shake this, see what the handling noise is like, but it's got an interesting little rubber kind of piece in between the mic and the standoff, so I have no idea how well that works, but it's kind of an interesting design, not quite what I would expect, but there you go. There's a Saramonic outside. Unfortunately, there's no wind. I wanted to test wind going across the mic. It does have the windsock on, but I don't think we're going to be able to get much test. It's San Diego. It doesn't get windy too often, so. Okay, so here's my wrap up. Let's just run down really quick. As a secondary audio microphone, I think it's going to work for me, so I am going to keep it. So outdoors in a noisy environment, I don't know, it probably needs some work. Now, I haven't done any major EQ or compression or in any of these tests. It's just been raw. The only thing I may have done is adjust the volume. I may do another video, but quite frankly, like, it's gonna be my backup audio, and so I'll worry about it when that time comes. But I can tell you, just listening to it, the noise floor is okay. It's fine. It doesn't have the popping and clicking that I got with the RØDE VideoMic GO and the VideoMicro, so it's a keeper. Build quality, it's okay. It's very plasticky, but plastic is tough, you know, or it can be. The standoff doesn't seem to really help with the handling noise too much. I just listened to all my samples that you just listened to as well. It definitely, in fact, you can probably hear it right now. As I move this selfie stick around, it definitely, there's noise that gets transferred. So that's fine. For me, it's gonna be on a tripod. So I can probably recommend this to people who maybe are on a budget or are just going to put this on a tripod. I don't know enough about the RØDE products to know if their handling noise is better. I think it is from what I understand, and I don't know if its rejection is better, but I think it is. I just stopped testing those once I heard all that noise, so unfortunately I don't have that data myself. So one of those mics might be a better choice. However, with all that noise and popping and clicking, you could have problems with interference, and so it's a little bit of a gamble. There's some other products. The Shure makes one for a couple $100. I think it's a VMP 83. There's one that goes right into your camera. I think it takes a battery. There's another one that has, like, it records to a little micro SD card. I think Tascam actually has one for a little over $100 that records right to an SD card. That might be a great choice. However, I don't want to have to worry about batteries or extra cards or turning it on or the batteries draining or any of that. So for me, this little Saramonic is a winner. I am keeping it. I can recommend it for those who I just mentioned. If there's other videos you'd like to see us do, please leave them in the comments and we will definitely try to do them. And if you like it, dislike it, that's fine. Leave a comment though if you don't like it. Let us know what we could do better. And subscribing helps us a lot. Google and YouTube reward us for those kinds of things. But most importantly, if you click on those Amazon links down below, it does put a few pennies in our pocket to kind of help us keep making videos like this and sharing them with you. So until next time, I'm Chris with 2Bit Da Vinci. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.